First, install the upper board onto the machine, and then sequentially install the lower board. Turn on the power switch and set the temperature of the upper and lower layers. Long press the setting button for 10 seconds to switch between upper and lower temperature settings. For gear temperature adaptation for different usage scenarios, place the pressure support mode for hot pressing and rapid curing. Manually press the joystick to automatically lock it. After the pressure is maintained, pull the left latch to release it. Using airtight modes to restore the sealing of mobile phones. Pressing the back cover of the phone does not require a mold, and the built-in pad can be used. Curved screens and complete machines do not require molds and can be hot pressed using built-in pads.